The next time you're out in the woods getting depressed that everywhere you look there is litter, here's an idea. Pick it up. Take it home. It's weirdly satisfying to do. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to try and turn these old rubbish cans into cameras. Well, here it is. My finished masterpiece camera. Slice the top off. Put the photographic paper in, curved around the inside. Take the lid back on. Pinhole here, taped over for now until I get ready to take my photograph. And now I just need to sit patiently for about a week, which for me is going to be the hardest bit of all. Time to go and see if my camera has produced any magic. That's it. Let's take it home. See what, if anything, is waiting inside. I'm excited. Woohoo! And I'm going to run down a hill with a wide open knife and a beer can. What will they think if they find my body now? This is not a good idea. I'm going to stop, not for the knife, but because my trousers are now around my knees. I'm now back in my developing room, also known as my shed. So all I'm going to do is take the paper out, take a photograph of the paper in order to fix that photo in place. It's a bit of a ham-fisted fudge that I'm going from super old school technology to now essentially taking a digital photo of this, but hey ho, it's worth a try. And once you've photographed or scanned your photographic paper, you can then print it. And I just think it is so cool that you can pick up trash and then use it to take a photograph of a forest showing the arc of the sun striping across the sky for day after day. And it's just amazing. Here is my first printed effort, and I'm really, really excited to try doing this in lots more places. 1 week in the forest, the sun striping overhead, the massive long exposure photograph. Give it a try. Pick up trash, take beautiful photos. It's amazing.